I heard you were in a traffic accident a few years ago.
Yes, that's right. I was crossing the road when I was hit by a car.
That must have been really scary.
It was, but I'm lucky to be alive. I only had a few minor injuries.
What happened after the accident?
The driver and I exchanged information and then we went our separate ways. I didn't need to go to the hospital, but I did go to the doctor to get checked out.
Did you have to get any repairs done to your car?
No, I was walking at the time of the accident. But the driver's car was totaled.
Did you have to go to court?
No, we decided to handle it without involving the police.
What did you learn from the experience?
I learned that it's important to be careful when crossing the street. I also learned that it's important to have good insurance.
Do you think people should obey traffic regulations?
Absolutely. Traffic regulations are there to keep us safe. By following them, we can help to prevent accidents.